Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. Uh Today we'll be talking about how to make money on Binance, the other part. No, last week I made a video on how to make money and I said I have 3 ways. So today I'll be talking about another way. And the last one I'll be talking about that should be in my next video. And uh in which that one is also risk free also, but this one is also a risk fee and the return of this one is higher than the other one I showed you last week. So the return you'll be getting from this other one of last week on, and why also the one I'll be showing next week or in my next video will also be higher also than this one I'm showing you. So please and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now, and also uh to put on the notification so that you get notified whenever a content like this is uploaded, and so that I don't miss next video content. So thank you very much. So let's continue. So this is Binance interface. All you need to do currently is uh first thing, make sure you have funds in your account. But let's of us go first. Now there are two things I want to teach you in this video. The first one is making money on Binance through staking. Now, and the second one is you borrowing your money, you borrowing Binance your funds. You understand? And you'll be given percentage. Now, the first one, which is taking, just click on from your home page. You see this more here under this icon. You see there. So click on more. Then go to finance. Under the finance, you see staking. So click on staking. So when you get to staking, can you see this one will give you 33%. This one is giving you, we have 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. This one will give you 15% and 13%, sorry. This one will give you 6%, 12%, 14%, depending on the coin. They offer different rates. Do you understand? Now, so let's assume that I'm going for ING, that's index coin. So when I'm going for a period of 15 days, I want my staking to last for 15 days. Staking just like you are staking your funds so that that particular coin will be what you be mined. You understand? So like from a pool, that's how it is. So when I click stake, you will see something like this. Do you understand? So when I go ahead and read their terms and conditions or any other thing, I can also read the, okay, this one is well, we have two forms of staking. We have DeFi staking. These are for DeFi coin and the rest. And this staking, but this is where we are going to. So click on stake. When you click on stake, you got to this part. You say 15 days. So I'm going for 15 days. Make sure you have ING in your balance. But currently I don't have ING in my balance. ING coin. That's why it's showing available of 0. So let me go to a coin which I have in my balance that I input for this video. So autumn. So 30 days. So the lowest time for autumn is 30 days. That the lowest period is 30 days. So now I have 1.6 autumn in my uh atom in my Binance currently. So and it's good for 30 days. Don't forget, if you are putting a small money, that means your return will be small. But if you are putting a good money, at least we are having around $1,000 or so. Do you understand? So that will fetch you a good return. But if you are putting small money, that means you'll be getting small return. That's what you should know. Now I'll be putting the whole of this atom in this, and look at it. I'll be getting 0.013 atom in 30 days. Do you understand? So it's all because this atom is very small. I guess this atom should be around maybe 20 something dollar also. So it's very, very small. That's why the return from it is small. Let's assume something like $1,000. You might be seeing more than this. Do you understand? So because it's small, so now click on and I'll click on I will check this stuff that I've agreed. Then I'll click on confirm. Then can you see you have subscribed? Do you understand? So now say it is what this atom is locked for 30 days. So redemption date is next month, 19th of next month. That's the redemption date for this my save because it's 30 days. Do you understand? So you can go to your wallet to check it out. You can go to staking. Do you understand? Again, if you want to stake anything. But if you are staking ING, you will have done the same thing. Is this 30 days you want to choose? Or is this the 15 days or 60 days? Can you see? So they are encouraging you to take a lower days. So this return is smaller on bigger days. So it means that they are discouraging you to take to invest or to stake for a longer period. They want it for a shorter period. So that's what it's for. And don't forget this in this is just that the coin, if because you're having a coin balance, so if Bitcoin should fall or the market fall generally, your value of the coin also falls. So even though they will still give you what they promise you at the end of the period, you understand? So that's just the only reason that it's there. But as far as the price is going on, everything is going on, the coin you need to put to continue to rise. So there's no risk actually, except if the market is just doing anyhow. That's so the risk that the value of the coin will drop, but they will still give you. If they promise you 5 ING, they will give you 5 ING at the end of the 15 days. So they won't default. Do you understand? So that's for that. Why for the other one? Just click on more. Do you understand? Under that finance, you click on savings. So this savings, just like you are saving your money, but it's not that you are saving your money. You are borrowing Binance money. All those loan you see Binance giving out, crypto loan are giving out to people. It's because of people that have saved money with Binance. So they are using their money as loan for other people that wants to collect loan, and they will be giving them return. That is why people that are borrowing loan, they are giving them interest to pay on those loans. So it is out of those interest that Binance is making. That is what is giving you people that are saving with Binance out of those interest. So that's how savings works. So just like you're borrowing Binance your funds, you understand, to use it to borrow people loan, to lend out loan for people. You understand? So that's how it works. So now if you are going for savings, you have flexible savings and lock savings. If it's flexible savings, that means you can decide to close your savings at any time, that oh, I'm no more doing again, you can redeem it anytime. But lock savings, if you lock it for 90 days, that means the 90 days must complete. If you lock it for 15 days, the 15 days must complete. Without that 15 days completing, you can't get out your fund. Now look at this one, fund. The interest rate is 45%. Wow, so why? Makes sense. So that's for lock. And you can only lock it for 14 days, least 14 days. Look at it, 30 days. So 60 days. Like I said, they are discouraging you for a higher period. That is why you see the interest is low. Now, let's assume it's flexible. I've given you the difference between the two. So if it's flexible you are going for, just click on subscribe. So you make sure that you have uh this coin in your account, TKO. So if you have, you just put maximum, put the whole TKO, then put I have agreed, then it will show if I have coin in this balance, then confirm. So but let me go for a coin. I guess I have coin A, BDUSD. So now this BDUSD, sorry, I guess just refunds here. This is just my YouTube practice account for YouTube videos. I'm looking for, okay, yeah, I get there is a coin here. Okay, makes sense. So ADA, so I'll choose the ADA, then I'll check it. Do you understand? I'll press confirm. So once I press confirm, let me press confirm so I can see. Can you now see? So I can now go to my savings or go to the wallet to go and check it out. So if you want it that after 14 days, oh, this stuff should automatically renew itself. Just check this auto subscribe. So every 14 days, even if you are not around, it will automatically put the money back after getting your return. It puts it back again after getting your return, put it back again after getting your return. So that's how it is. If it's for lock savings, like I said, the return for lock savings somehow always higher than that of flexible savings, because you will touch your money. The flexible is that you can I might say, okay, tomorrow I'm not doing again. I'll just take out my money and I will redeem it. Do you understand? But for flexible, you can't do that. For lock, you can't do that. So that's just how it is. So if you have any question, if you don't understand it, let me know in the comment section below. And then don't forget to like this video and also to share it. Don't forget to subscribe and also to put on notification, because next week video which I'll be uploading on how to make money is a very profitable video. You understand? And you won't want to miss it. So subscribe now. Thank you very much. God bless you all.